Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. So today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can receive and see dividends on your Etoro account. To do so, first of all, just log into your Etoro account like I already did. And after logging into your Etoro account, simply go into the portfolio, which is on the profile side of your screen, on the left hand side of your screen. After you go into portfolio, you can see all the assets that you have bought or traded with. If you want to see your dividend, you can see that this is already enabled in my PC. But to enable in yours, click on those three bars with the gear icon on the top right side of your screen. After that, you can see in the third option in which your must be average. Click on it and you will see there is an option for fees. Right now it is already enabled, that's why it is not showing up. After clicking onto the fees option, click onto apply and it will be applied into your PC as well. And what this does is it shows you the dividend that you receive on the asset that you have invested in. And to receive dividend, you just have to have a particular amount of assets on the time that the company or the investment that you did into actually gives the investment or dividend too. Just click on this down arrow button and go on to history. This will give you the brief summary of the assets that you have. Now, to receive a dividend, as I said, you just need to own the part of the company that you are trying to earn the dividend from. For example, if you own certain stock of a certain company, then on a given time, which will be on the stats of the stocks or any kind of coins. Here, let me show you. If you go on to discover from here, and let's say if you go on to stocks, and after going on to stocks, let's say you selected any one kind of stock that you invested in, and you want to see if you can earn the dividend from it or not. To see if you earn dividend or not, you simply have to own the stock. Here, if you go into it, you can see that you can see all its detail as well on the overview option or on the chart option. Simply click on the chart option from here, and now you'll be able to see, if you scroll down here, how the company is performing. So based on this, buy the stock that you want, and after that, if you just wait around until the time that the company actually releases dividend, then your account will also have dividend on its yearly form. And that is how you can see and receive dividend. This was for this video. I hope you guys find the information of our video helpful. If you have any queries about other things, make sure you comment down below and I will be happy to assist you. If you like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.